Well, Christine, let's first get into exactly why the Bihar government has filed this affidavit before the Supreme Court. If we go back, when the last hearing had happened in the Supreme Court had given 3 days time to all the parties to come forth with their submissions and file them before the top court. So that is the reason why this affidavit has been filed. And if you notice in the affidavit, what the Bihar police actually says, they give the details of exactly what the timeline of the events has been ever since June 14th, which is when the actor had allegedly committed suicide, till up to date. And what they're saying is that there was an FIR that was filed on the 25th of July by Sushant Singh Rajput's father in Patna, and it is on the basis of that FIR and the facts stated in that FIR that the Bihar police has filed this affidavit, where they go on to say that the reason why Rhea Chakrabarti and her family members ever got in contact with Sushant Singh Rajput was so that they could grab his money and they could usurp his money, which was his hard-earned money. And that is essentially why Rhea Chakrabarti's net worth has also gone up in the past few months that she has been with Sushant Singh Rajput. So they are actually assigning a motive to Rhea Chakrabarti, and they're making it seem like this was a laid out plan as to why she got into a relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput in the first place. And remember, this is happening on the very same day when Rhea Chakrabarti has not appeared before the Enforcement Directorate. She's asked for some more time to appear before them, saying that till the time the Supreme Court hearing is not over, the summons should be deferred. But at the same time, the Enforcement Directorate has refused this particular request by Rhea Chakrabarti simply by stating that this money laundering angle that they are investigating right now needs to be looked into, which is why they've summoned Rhea Chakrabarti in the first place. So it remains to be seen exactly what happens on once this interrogation by the Enforcement Directorate actually happens of Rhea Chakrabarti. But at the same time, like the Bihar government had stated earlier, that they will be putting their full weight behind Sushant Singh Rajput's family when it comes to this legal battle in the Supreme Court. This affidavit is the proof for that. They have agreed with everything that Sushant Singh Rajput's father said in the FIR that was filed by him on the 25th of July. And that is what they've laid down in this affidavit, saying that Rhea Chakrabarti had ulterior motives when she got into a relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput, and that there is a possible aspect of money laundering in this as well.
Exactly. That is exactly the point. Exactly, Prithvi, that's exactly the point we're going to be looking at. And viewers, we leave you with this. 52 days of investigation. Republic TV is going to be at the very front of it, whether it's in the top court in Mumbai or in the capital. Stay tuned for our investigations, our exposes, as we'll keep you right ahead. Prithvi, back to you.
Thank you, Ridhima and Nalini, for that. We'll closely follow this up because this is only getting bigger by the day.